welcome to the Barrett Auditorium. I am Jerry McElroy, Director of Choirs here, and I am joined on stage by Miss Morrison and Miss Weingartner. We are the choral team here at North Central, and we are excited to share with you. This is our third annual More Joyful Sounds of the Season, featuring all 10 North Central choirs and special guests this year making their premiere. Northside Sound, our new middle school show. We will also be joined by our student teacher by you, Mr. Brannon. He will be conducting the encores and Allegros this evening, so you'll get to meet him in a little while. Next up, we have the Counterpoints Christmas medley.
Going over to like my auntie's house and playing spades. It can get aggressive, but that's the fun part of it.
Favorite holiday tradition is on Christmas Eve, my family and I will all watch
A Christmas Carol, but the Muppet Christmas Carol with my grandpa.
Our favorite holiday tradition
It's
is
Christmas.
Christmas, where we get to spend time with
Yeah.
family.
Because we always have fun.
My favorite family holiday tradition is Thanksgiving because my mom makes the whole family write down what they're thankful for that, like at that particular moment, and then she makes it up throughout the year so she knows that you're still thankful for this.
My favorite family holiday tradition, me and my family always, on Christmas Eve, we always watch A Wonderful Life. And it's fun because it's a family bonding experience and you can eat popcorn and watch a movie right before Christmas Day.
And my favorite family holiday tradition is Hanukkah stockings, which we make little stockings and they all have Hanukkah decorations on them because my grandma always said that Santa came to everyone, even Jewish kids.
I like that my family does 2 Thanksgivings in the same day because we don't like eating at my other person's house. So we just kind of make our own food.
I love the winter weather, so the two of us can get together.
Santa's got a little princess named Dominic, the cutest little donkey you've ever seen him kick. When Santa visits his place on with Dominic he'll be, because the reindeer cannot climb the hills of Italy. Hey, chickity chick, it's Dominic the donkey. Chickity chick, it's Italian Christmas donkey. La 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 la, la 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 la. La la la, la 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 la.
Woo!